Hey guys, so I had a really cool opportunity to go down to Las Vegas, Nevada and drive some supercars at the Dream Racing facility. This facility is located inside the Las Vegas Speedway. The two cars that I drove were the Audi R8 and the Porsche 911 Carrera S. All of this was filmed on the facility's hardware, so there may be little kinks in the video, but overall it's really good. Here you'll see me driving with my instructor, his name escapes me, but he was awesome. He was pushing me to my limits, pushing the car to the limits, and he wanted to see me go faster every lap. Each video is 5 laps, so this will be broken into 2 videos. This first video is me in the Audi R8, so enjoy. This is 30 in here, right?
Yeah, we can bump it up a little more. Alright, so this car is V10 all-wheel drive, so it's going to be a little bit of a fun time, should I say.
So excited. I'm sure you understand.
Oh yeah. Alright, once we get here to the double cones, yeah, you are good to go. You can give it the green. That's it. Perfect. Nice and tight to the stripe. A little more power.
Oh, power.
Yep. And out to the left-hand side, full power. Good. A little brake. Release the brake. Turn in.
Holy cow.
Back on gas to the right.
Gas all the way?
Yep. Right now, gas up. That's it. Hug the stripe. Stay on the throttle. Good, good, good. And to the right, full power. Brake. Release the brake, turn in. Back on gas. Good. Over the hill to the left, full power. Brake, brake, brake.
This is awesome.
Nice and tight here to the stripe, a little more power. Out to the left, so no. There we go. Fantastic. Brake, turn in. There we go. Nice and tight here to this way. We're actually on lap 2. It hasn't clipped it, so it will probably say lap 1 for the rest of the thing.
Okay.
So I'm going to count out to the left. There we go. Brake. Release the brake, turn it. That's it. Work it, work it, work it. Oh, there we go. Good entry speed. That's it. Go to the right hand side here by the stripe.
I can't believe how much grip this has.
Oh yeah, it's full throttle back to the right.
Is everything okay?
Pull off to the left hand side here. We got a car passing us in just a moment. It's a drift car. Yep, yep. That's it. Keep going. Keep rolling.
Keep going?
Yep, yep. He's just going to pass us here in a moment. 3, 2, 1. There we go. There we go.
Am I good?
Yeah, you're good. We're good to punch it up.
I can't see the tack on him.
Oh, okay.
Anymore.
I got you. Let's try that. There we go.
There we go.
Brake. Hard, hard, hard. Downshift one. Downshift again. There we go.
Jeez.
Right. A little more throttle here to the inside as we're watching him just drift the car. A little more power. Full throttle to the left there. That's it. Brake. Release the brake. Turn in. Back to the right.
You're an incredible instructor, you know that?
Thank you, sir. Right down the middle here. Full throttle going up, 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 up. Trying to make it so you're as comfortable as you are in this car, but pushing it to its limit.
Yeah.
Yep, yep. Firm on the brake. Release it. Turn in. Gas out. Full throttle right now. Just hang on. That's it. Turn that wheel in. Don't let full throttle. That's it. Hard brake. Downshift once. There we go. Nice and tight here to the inside. Little more power. Work your way up and out to the left. Full power. Upshift. Perfect. Brake. That's it. Release the brake. Turn in. That's it. That's it. Back on gas. We would never brake like that on a normal car, right? Nice and tight to the inside. Brake, brake, release, rotate in. Yeah, race off-road truck. So every time when I hit the track on my truck, I'm like, oh man, where'd my power go? And my traction, because I'm on dirt. So yeah. Little brake, no brake, turn in. That's it. Back on gas. There we go. Full power up. There we go. Rotate in and stay on the gas. That's it. Hard brake. Downshift once. Turn in. Very good. Very good. Tight to the stripe. That's it. Right there you can punch it up to the left on the stripes. That's it. Absolutely perfect.
Holy crap, this is awesome.
Brake, brake. Downshift twice. Release. Turn in. Downshift one more time. That's it. Back on gas. Very good.
I can't believe how much grip this has.
Out to the left, full power. Good. Brake. Release, turn in. That's it. Working. Back on gas. Good. Off gas, turn in. Back to the right. That's it. Nice and tight. Tight. Keep going. Give it the gas. That's it. Little brake. Release, turn in. Working. Back on gas. There we go. And brake. That's our out lap. Yep, that's our fifth.
Holy crap, that was awesome.
You're gonna like the next car too as well.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm glad.
911 handles perfectly for a flat track like this. Oh yes.
How did I do?
You did good. You did good. Yeah.
Thanks. That was awesome. Oof, that was a rush. Same spot?
Yes, sir.
Okay.